Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So take your seat and join me. Let's make some spicy chicken wings together. So here I have my chicken wings and some of the spices which I'm going to be using. So I'll start by adding my mixed seasoning herbs, thyme, nut cube and salt, and also my powdered onion. Then I'll go ahead to add my powdered garlic. Here I have my paprika. So I'll go ahead to add some of it to my chicken. After that, I'll go ahead to introduce some chili flakes to it to spice it up. Now I'll be introducing my sweet hot tomato chili sauce to my chicken. Next, I will add my soya sauce to my chicken, and after that I will introduce my white vinegar. You can as well replace this with lime juice if you are not able to find white vinegar. And after that, use your spatula to stir and make sure you combine everything together. So after I'm done mixing, I'm going to go ahead to cover with a cling film. Then 2 hours later, so guys, I allowed my chicken to rest for about 2 hours, and after that I'm going to go ahead to unwrap it. Then I'll go ahead to transfer it to my air fryer pan or your oven rack if you are using oven. When you are done transferring your chicken wings to your air fryer pan or your oven rack, go ahead to adding back the juice or the sauce that came out from the chicken, so that it will help your chicken to come out juicy when you are done baking it. So finally, I'm going to transfer the chicken wings to my air fryer. Then I will set the temperature, the timing, and also select the item which I'm making. I'm choosing 15 minutes for this, and also I selected baking since I'm baking the chicken. After 15 minutes, I will flip to the other side and bake for another 15 minutes, making it a total of 30 minutes later. I'm going to take out the chicken wings from the air fryer. Can you see how it looks, guys? It looks so yummy, so delicious and juicy. Please, if today is your first time of coming across this my channel, please do me a favor by subscribing, like and share this video, and also drop a suggestion on the comment section. To all my returning viewers, thanks for always tuning in. See you guys